Force refreshing only JavaScript files in Firefox and Chrome. I want to clear only JavaScript files from my web browsers, Firefox and Chrome. I am doing JavaScript debugging, and it's annoying that my JS just won't get updated whenever I change my JS files. The only thing I can do now is to clear my cookies, but doing that erases all of my browsing history. How can I clear/refresh the JavaScript files that have been loaded into my browsers without clearing out other files?
I do this myself for development. I use Ctrl plus F5. It's like a force refresh. This refreshes the page, including re-downloading any reference JavaScript files or CSS files even if they were cached. It will not clear anything else such as your browsing history. But please note that although I know this works in Firefox, and probably Internet and NVSP Explorer, I am not sure if Ctrl plus F5 works the same way in Chrome. Also, Ejix says, on some browsers you can use Ctrl plus Shift plus R to do the same task.
With Chrome. Starting with Chrome 15, open the Developer Tools, click on the cogwheel at bottom left of the screen, and select the checkbox Disable Cache. This way, you will be sure that resources are always reloaded from the server, and you don't have to manually clear the cache, which might also remove cache data for unrelated sites.
I disagree with that 7WP. Since some of your end users aren't familiar with the Ctrl plus F5 function, and some aren't even aware of the differences between browsers and even the existence of other browsers, elders for example, you should force the browser to download a new copy of the JS/CSS files. The best solution here is to add the timestamp at the end of the .js/.css file names, or add the SVN version, which is a great idea too.
You might want to try clearing just your cache, and not your entire browsing history, cookies, passwords, saved form data, and whatnot, the default. In Firefox 3.5, go to Tools, Clear Recent History. Then make sure only cache is selected before selecting Clear Now. In Chrome, don't know what particular version you're using, as I use the dev builds, go to Wrench icon, Tools, Options, Personal Stuff tab, Clear Browsing Data. Again, make sure only empty the cache is checked. Alternatively, you can try opening up a new private session in Firefox or incognito window in Chrome. Neither should cache any files, including your .js files, you automatically download and process when browsing.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.